Good afternoon, Bear Nation. Principal Wilson here. I know it's been a few weeks since we've talked with one another, since I've been able to produce one of these. Got a little hectic right before Thanksgiving break, but I hope all of you enjoyed a wonderful break with friends and family, and we're able to gather around the table and give thanks and gratitude for all that we have in this great country and this great community of ours. A couple things as we begin to head toward the Christmas holiday break. We have several things going on over the next 10 days, so be sure to check the newsletter that went out today. Chorus concerts, band concerts, games. So be sure to, if you're able to attend those, please attend those. Some great singing and some great instrument playing going on over the next couple weeks. Also brings us to the end of the first semester, so lots of tests, lots of formative projects going on the next couple days, or next couple weeks rather. There's some opportunities for parents to come in and see what your children's been learning. Please take advantage of those opportunities if you're able to. Also talk to your student about getting those assignments turned in, staying on top of their schoolwork, giving their best effort, and bringing a positive attitude each day and making good choices. But we are going to require them to get that work in. We're not going to wait till the last minute and want extra credit or anything like that. Please have them do their schoolwork as it's assigned, get it turned in. We've got 2 weeks to get those grades up, so please talk to them about that. Also, parents, it's not really in our community, but it is certainly in the Hall County community and throughout the state of Georgia, throughout our country. We're seeing an increase of students taking pills that have been laced with fentanyl, and some of them have been deadly within our own Hall County community. So please talk to your student about taking anything from someone. If someone hands them something, please tell them to bring it to us or throw it in the trash if they don't know what it is, but certainly do not take anything that someone hands you, or take a hit of a vape that they don't know where it came from. Just the good common sense approach to making good decisions when it comes to peer pressure. So please talk to your students about that. And then again, the cell phones, please monitor those cell phones. Students send very impolite messages through those cell phones, and please, they're 11, 12, 13 years old. They do not make the best choices, even though we think they are capable of making really good choices because they're our sweet little babies. Sometimes they don't. So check those cell phones and make sure that your child is using them appropriately. Thank you for all you do. Thank you for supporting us. We look forward to seeing you guys the next 10 days at all these different events that's going on, highlighting your students' success. Have a wonderful weekend, and go Dogs. Let's win the SEC tomorrow. Go Bears.